Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Xbox, guys. And in this video I'm going to share with you that how actually I got Xbox Game Pass, guys, completely for free. So if you want to learn how to do this as well, then watch the video until the end, guys. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself so you can learn also how to do it on your own, okay? So guys, as you can see, I have my phone over here, and I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you will need it in order to get the Game Pass for free. I got mine through a promo code, so I'm gonna show you how to do it also, how to get the code and how to activate it as well, okay? So the first thing you have to do, you have to go to internet browser and go and search for this site. It's called lulucoupons.com. Once you enter inside, you have a lot of other things which you can check later. I'm gonna use searching bar not to make the video too long and type Xbox. You press on it and then scroll it down, press get the code and then show coupon code. We need to wait a few seconds the circle to get completed until the end. This is to check the validity of the coupons left on the site. Now it will show the code is locked, so we need to unlock the code. Press get the full code. Next step, it's going to ask us to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. It's very simple to do it, guys. You just need to read the instructions. It says download and complete two apps below to unlock Xbox Game Pass promo code. You have a note, do not use VPN or proxy. If you are using VPN or proxy, just turn it off before, guys. Down below, you're gonna have this list of the apps, which you need to choose two apps from the list to complete it as a task. Every app have different instructions. Try to find which is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time. Most important is that all the apps are for free. You don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are from App Store or Play Store. It depends on the phone that you have, which it means that are from official stores, guys, okay? So once you're gonna choose it, which you want to do it, you just need to press on it, and then it shows instruction again, then unlock now. It's going to take us to App Store because I'm using an iPhone, and if you're using an Android, it will take you to Play Store, and from here you just need to press download and then complete the instructions required. So I will complete two apps, guys, not to record everything, not to make the video too long, and then I'll come back to you to show how to reveal the code and activate it as well. So here we are, guys. I just completed both of the apps. I did this Snack Clash first and Family Island the second. So now I'm gonna show you how to reveal the code. You have to get back one more time, guys, to the site. Okay, I did this too. And then you have to press the back button for iOS here, and for Android here, press, and as you can see, the code get revealed. So if you try to get back immediately, guys, without completing the task, most probably the code is going to be locked again. Or if you didn't complete the task correctly, probably the code is going to be locked again, so you need to redo it from the beginning. So now I'm going to show you guys here on my screen record my Xbox account, and I'm going to put the code over here, and as you can see, it got activated successfully, guys. All right, so basically this is it, guys, in short words. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you with everything you need. See you in the next videos. Cheers.